Hey fourth graders, it's Mrs. Hoosier, and today we are going to be using a Foursquare to organize our opinion writing. Yesterday, Mrs. Burgoon went over opinion writing with you, and she told you about the different parts of an opinion writing essay. We're going to use this Foursquare today to create those different parts so that we are ready and organized when we actually start writing. So, these are opinion writing Foursquares. So the very first thing that you're going to do is the center box. So in that center box, this is where you're going to state your opinion and you want to hook your reader. This is what you're going to try to convince the reader of. So we've created one here. Okay, so in the center box, we've written the central idea here. The Harry Potter books are the best books, and you should read them. Okay, so that's my introduction sentence. That's where my opinion goes in that middle box. Okay, your next step is to fill out the first three boxes. These are the reasons that support your opinion. Okay, these are the things that you're going to state to try to convince your reader of your opinion. Those are boxes 1, 2, and 3. So here, my reason 1 that supports my opinion is many of the characters are funny. The characters learn life lessons. And there is something for everyone. So these are my 3 reasons that I'm using to convince the reader that the Harry Potter books are the best and that they should read them. The next step is, underneath each of your 3 reasons, you are going to add 3 or 4 supporting details. Okay, this is to support your reasons, more evidence to help convince the reader of your opinion. So here's the Foursquare that we've been working on. So our opinion goes in the middle. The Harry Potter books are the best books and you should read them. And then I filled in my 3 different reasons. Okay, in box 1, reason 1, many of the characters are funny. So my 3 details that go with that reason are Ron, Hagrid, and Fred and George the twins. Okay, so these are examples of funny characters. In box 2, my reason 2 was that the characters learn life lessons. So under that, I have included 3 details of examples of life lessons. So they learn friendship, they learn acceptance of others, and then they've learned bravery. And then in my 3rd box, my reason was that there was something for everyone. Okay, so the different things that would appeal to these readers are action, fantasy, and mystery. Okay. Then my next step is in box 4. That's my conclusion. I'm going to restate my 3 reasons with a concluding statement. Okay, so if I look down here at my concluding statement, I have color-coded the different reasons so you can see how I have included them in my conclusion statement. So reason 1, many characters are funny. You can see that down here. Right here in brown, the characters learn life lessons. You can see that down here. And then there is something for everyone. You can see that right there as well. Okay, so my concluding statement is, I think you should read the Harry Potter books because many of the characters are funny. The characters learn important life lessons. And there's really something for everyone in the series. Okay. And then my final step is I'm going to include transition words in each of those boxes. So we've learned about transition words before. We know that transition words help our reader go from one idea to the other more smoothly. So here are the transition words I've chosen. Okay, In the first box, I'm going to say one reason many of the characters are funny. In the second box, additionally, the characters learn life lessons. And then reason 3, lastly, there is something for everyone. Okay, so that is my Foursquare. You are going to be filling in your Foursquare of your own in your OneNote activity.